Oh my gosh. Ah! He is on the move!